kids, it's math time. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. A candy factory used 157 kilograms of sugar to make 7 batches of candies. How much sugar did the factory put in each batch? Okay, so we are going to divide 157 by 7. So 15 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 15 minus 14 equals 1. Bring down 7. 17 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 17 minus 14 equals 3. So, this is our final answer. 22.3 kilograms of sugar is used per batch of candies. For our next video, this is what we are going to answer. Liza has been saving for her mother's gift, which cost 925.75 pesos. She saves 117 pesos a week. How many weeks does she have to save in order to have enough money to buy the gift? Okay, that's all for today. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave your comments below. Goodbye!